Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have RAM. This is Aries I Acquisition Corporation, or this is maybe one. I really don't know, but in this video, we're going to be doing a quick top-down analysis, and let's get straight to it. First of all, I'm going to be starting from a higher time frame perspective. I mean, even though, like, if I start from the weekly, the only thing that I can see on the chart is just green candles. So, overall, in this situation, these are white because that's my theme, my color. That was the monthly. Now we have weekly. From the weekly, we're coming from somewhere around these lows. So this is the low on the weekly, which I would not like to see a break from. So this low is at right around $10.08. And let's go to the daily. So yeah, on the daily, I saw this beautiful little break above, which was only with the wick, which I don't really like. But then we can come to the 4 hour, and now we have this. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we were doing something right here in 11th of August or some stuff like that. Then a huge volume came into the market. We had this bigger run up to the upside. We came down, then we broke up back up. So in this situation, I'm only looking for upside moves to deliver to these highs at $11 and 30 something. A lot of bearish moves and then bullish is going to be ideal, but obviously this is just my own opinion, not financial advice. Have a wonderful day.